Hi, this is Jim with ProfitTrading.com. We're going to take a look at gold with the track and trade software. Now, this is a weekly chart, and it looks to be pretty obvious that it could be forming a head and shoulders bottom here on the weekly chart, or just a triple bottom, double bottom, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, this is a support area here. But the way it is in commodities is what looks obvious sometimes doesn't happen. And right now the trend arrow is down for the bulls and bears. So when you analyze the markets and when you trade them, it's two different things. So right now my analyst of this market would be gold is probably coming into a low and will probably trade higher. But until this downtrend line is broken on the upside, I would be very cautious with gold. I would want gold to find a low here and then turn higher before I would think about going long. Again, right now this is a support area right here at 15.15. It looks like 15.11, and gold's trading right now around 16.16. So I mean, it could still have some downside even if this is a low here. Now, again, this is going to be an important trend line to watch. If gold breaks this support on the weekly chart, I mean, this could go a lot lower than people are thinking. Right now, the obvious thing is to look at this as a base, and it's probably going to head higher. But again, I want to repeat that what is obvious a lot of times doesn't happen. Now let's take a weekly look at the daily chart. This is the weekly chart. So the weekly chart looks like it's forming a base, but I would want to see it turn and break this trend line before I would consider going long. Now here's the daily chart. Now we've had this strong move into this low right around 1560 here, and gold has made a sharp move up. Now here's one thing, markets hardly ever just come down into a bottom and just make a low. So what I think gold's going to do is it's going to at least come down and test this low, and then it tests this support, and it could break lower from here. And then this is going to be a resistance area if gold continues to rally. This is a resistance area, and you can see right now that when it broke through here, it came back up. And so when this area here was broken, now it's a resistance area. And right now, I'm still looking for gold to head lower because we have a down arrow on the daily chart, and we have a down arrow on the weekly chart. So right now, I wouldn't want to be long gold. I would rather be short. But since it's oversold, so oversold right now, I wouldn't be looking to get short gold right now either. So I'm just staying out of the market right now in my premium newsletter and just seeing, kind of following it day by day and see what happens next. So that's a little commentary on gold. We'll take another look at it as soon as more action unfolds. And thanks for listening to my video. This is Jim at ProfitTrading.com.